Thinking about booking your very first cruise? Before you click that Book Now button, there are some insider tips that could save you money, help you avoid rookie mistakes, and make your vacation way smoother. In this video, I'll share the 10 things every first-time cruiser must know before setting sail. Let's dive in. Not all cruises are created equal. Family-friendly lines like Norwegian or Royal Caribbean are perfect if you want activities and variety. Carnival has a party vibe, while Celebrity offers a calmer, more luxurious feel. And for your first cruise, aim for around 7 days. It's the sweet spot between too short and overwhelming. Here's the secret. Book during wave season. That's January through March, for the best deals and perks like free onboard credit. Travel agents can also score you hidden upgrades and discounts that online booking sites won't show. Cruise fares don't always cover everything. Drinks, specialty dining, gratuities, excursions, they add up fast. Pro tip: set aside an extra 20 to 30% of your budget for these add-ons so you're not shocked at checkout. Cabin choice makes a huge difference. For budget travelers, a guaranteed inside cabin saves money. But if you get seasick, pick midship on a lower deck. That's where movement is least noticeable. Balconies are amazing, but you don't need one your first time if you're watching your wallet. Your fare usually covers meals, snacks, entertainment, and kids' programs. But spa visits, alcohol, shore excursions, and specialty restaurants cost extra. Knowing this up front helps you decide where to splurge and where to save. Booking excursions through the cruise line is the safest option, but it's also pricier. If you're comfortable, you can save money booking through third-party companies. Just be sure they guarantee to get you back on time. Or use port days to enjoy an emptier ship. Think spa discounts, quiet pools, and no lines. Arrive at your departure port at least a day early to avoid travel delays. Always pack a carry-on with your swimsuit, sunscreen, and medications, because your main luggage might not show up until later that night. And remember, don't overpack. Laundry services are available, and cabins are smaller than most hotel rooms. Cruise ships have strict health protocols. Wash your hands, use sanitizer, and you'll be fine. Seasickness? Pack motion sickness bands or meds just in case. A cruise is all about relaxation. You don't need to do everything. Unpack, explore the ship, check the daily newsletter, and plan a few highlights. Disconnect from Wi-Fi, enjoy the ocean views, and lean into the calm. That's the real magic of cruising. So there you have it. 10 things every first-time cruiser should know before booking. From picking the right cruise line to budgeting for extras. Now you're ready to sail smarter. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and insider guides. Bon voyage!